Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is Steve here. Today I want to record this quick video and show you guys how you're going to buy electricity by yourself. I know there are a lot of people who normally runs around to be looking for POS agents, electricity agent and whatsoever whenever they want to buy their electricity, and most of the times, let's say your light finish in the middle of the night, where will you see those kind of people to be buying light? So buying light is easier than ever before. You can buy light on OP, whether from Pay, whether from Moneypoint. So if you are using any of these, then you stay close, and if you are not using any of them, you will just watch around and then find a similar option on your banking application so that you're going to buy the light. So I also did this video here which I actually showed how to load your prepaid meter when there is no light. Let's say your light has gone off completely. There were a whole lot of questions on that video which I answered them on the comment section, but some people were still unable to get the clarity they need. So I'm also planning to record a video about that. So if I finish recording it, I'm going to add in the description of this video. So if you are watching this now, go ahead and check the description so that you can see that video that answers all the questions concerning buying, loading and activating prepaid meters. Okay guys, let's go ahead. I'm going to be starting with OP, and then there is nothing too complicated here. You're just going to open your OP application, and then you must ensure you have a reasonable amount of money there, equivalent or more than the amount you want to top up on your prepaid meter. So I'm going to go ahead and click on more. You can see the more option here. I'm going to click on the more option, and then you can see the electricity is here. So if your own electricity is not here on top, then you are going to scroll down and find electricity here. You can see mine is also under recently used. Okay, so if you don't see your own there, you can go ahead and check among these options there to find the electricity. And if you can't find it there, see this search icon by the top right corner of your screen. You're going to click on that, and then you type in electricity. So you see it here, and then you open it up like this. And if you haven't bought light before, then you will just see an empty space. Everywhere will be empty. So first of all, what you're going to do here is to click on either postpaid or prepaid. So in Nigeria, we mostly use a prepaid meter. So see it by the left here, and on top here you are already seeing Ikeja Electric, because I am based in Lagos and I use Ikeja Electricity. That is why you are seeing this here. If you are based in the north, the east, or wherever, if you are based in the east, you should be seeing Enugu Electricity here. If you are based in all these northern states, you'll be seeing Abuja Electric Distribution Corporation, something, which is AEDC, something like that. And then depending on the region of the country you are buying the light from, you should be able to see the option. So since I'm already having Ikeja Electric, I may just choose to proceed, but for clarity purposes, I'm going to click on this Ikeja Electric here so that you can explore a lot of electricity options that are here, or electric company or corporations that are here, which you can select. You can see there are a whole lot of them here. We have Ibadan Electricity, Jos Electricity, Ikeja, Port Harcourt Electricity, Kaduna, Abuja, Eko Electricity, Enugu, Kano, Benin, Yola, Aba, just name it. Okay, so since I'm still using Ikeja, I'll go ahead and check mark Ikeja, and then Ikeja is selected, and down here I'm going to enter the meter number. So the meter number is that particular number on your card. You can see this is my own here. Okay, so you're going to type in that complete number. Ensure you type it complete from the beginning. So I will say this 568091. Okay, so after you finish typing, you click on proceed. You may need to cross check that the number is correct so that you won't have any issue. Okay, I'm done cross checking it, and then I'll click on proceed. So you can see it has brought out the name. So the name is basically going to be your landlord's name. If you are staying in a rented apartment, then it should be your landlord's name. Okay. Now your landlord name will appear there depending on whosoever that did KYC on that particular meter. If you did it yourself, you will see your name there. So don't, most of the times if you don't know your landlord name, you may be wondering why is this person's name there. So you just got to know that is the person that did KYC on the meter whose name will appear on that particular meter. So that shouldn't bring confusion. So now, funny enough, do you know that this meter that I'm using to record now is my personal prepaid meter because I use solar mostly. I haven't bought light on this particular meter before. Okay, so I will go ahead and select an amount here. After successfully selecting amount and entering your payment pin, this is where you are going to land. So it will buy the light, and then you click to view the receipt, and then you're going to have the token number here. So the token number is exactly what you are going to use to key in on your meter remote so that you will top up your electricity unit. So guys, that is all for OP, and I'm going to head over to so this is my Moneypoint app, and then under my Moneypoint app here, I'm going to click on pay bills. You can see pay bills by the right hand corner here, and then when I click on pay bills, I'm going to tap on electricity, and then you can see all the electricity distribution companies available here. And then you can see, since I'm based in Lagos, I will come down here and look at Ikeja electricity distribution. And then Ikeja electricity distribution has two types, which is the postpaid and then the prepaid. So I'm using a prepaid meter, so I'll click on prepaid, and over here I'm going to key in my meter number. So I will just enter my correct meter number here. Remember, your meter number is always found on your card, in front of your card, your prepaid card. While entering it, be sure you are entering the correct one without doing mistakes. So after that, I'm going to click on this forward arrow here and then allow it to load like this. And then you see the landlord's name is going to pop up like this, just the same way we did on OPay. And then I'm going to click on proceed. So if this is your meter that you'll be buying light from frequently, you're going to click on you're going to turn this on here, add as beneficiary, so that anytime you come next time, you will just proceed and then buy light directly into that prepaid meter. So I'm going to click on proceed. So, and then over here I will have to select my the amount I want to top up. If I want to buy 2,000 worth of electricity, I will enter 2,000 and click next. So on the next page, you'll be asked to enter your, okay, they will pop up like this, confirm the name, confirm everything, and then you click proceed. So here they will now ask for your payment pin. So once you enter the payment pin, the payment will be successful. Okay. Now, after the payment has gone through, you will now see the payment receipt where you're going to find the token number where you can key into your meter to load up your electricity unit. Don't tell me you want to go away without subscribing. No, subscribe. Hey, yes, subscribe. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification so that anything we drop a new video, you're going to get notified. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I will try my best to reply all of you people. And if whatever question you are asking demands another video, I will still be glad to record a new video to guide you. Cheers, guys.